Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this lower panel off, and if it's busted, show you what to do to get it secure. A lot of these things are destroyed because people don't know how to get them out, and I've shown that in the past, but I want to make a separate video for it. To get this panel down, you have to open the glove compartment, take these 6 screws out of the glove compartment, remove the glove compartment, then you'll have access to the 2 screws that holds this up and in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these screws out of the glove compartment, pull this down a little bit, pull the glove compartment out, set it aside, then you'll see the 2 screws I'm talking about. Unfortunately, after this thing's been screwed in there for several years, the mounts normally crack and they stick to the vinyl. So when you pull this thing out, you sometimes leave mount fragments in there. Just the nature of the beast is built broke. So here you see the 2 screws that holds this lower kick panel in. A lot of times you'll see this panel hanging down because somebody did that wrong, and these will be broken here. So what I do, I take a sheetrock screw, maybe drill a little pilot hole. You can pull this glove box door off if you want more access, but I drill a pilot hole through the part of the panel, and then I drive a sheetrock screw through there to hold this up. But this one's good, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull these 2 screws out, and that panel will drop down. I unscrew things with Henry, but I do not screw stuff in with Henry. Not this plastic stuff, because Henry will destroy this stuff. See the panels coming down? Pull the panel down, unplug that electrical connector there for that light, and this panel comes right out. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.